Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the gossip quest Princess Stella feed cat with her favorite food. Many players are confused about how to finish this gossip quest, but don't worry, I will explain it quickly. In this tutorial, I can show the quest in real time because I have already completed it, but the mission is actually a bit tricky, especially if you don't know how your cat's favorite food yet. And to find out your cat's favorite food, open your smartwatch and then just go to on pet menu and then just choose your cat and add the kitty mood log, this one over here. Sometimes you will see notifications or a log like that said your cat feels happy after eating blah 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 or something similar on here. I don't remember the exact words because my history is already gone in here, but it usually appears right after you fed your cat. And in my case, my cat loves to eat pelt fish and false cat. And in this quest, the problem is to get this notification slug, you need to experiment with different foods first. Just try feeding your cat various items like different fish or cat food with until you finally see the log that your cat really likes that food. And there's no shortcut here, you just need to test different foods. But here's a useful trick to finish this quest faster. Another trick, the cat in this quest doesn't have to be your own cat. You can also feed another player's cat or your friend's cat. So just ask other players if they already know their cat's favorite food. If they do, just prepare that food and feed it to their cat. And once you fed a cat with its favorite food, the quest will be auto-completed immediately. And okay, that's how you can finish the Princess Stella about feeding cat with her favorite food in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!